we do today before we proceed. My call to our secretary, very much for DPWH.
Yes, Chair. Good morning to everyone and to all the viewers live on YouTube. Today's pre-bid conference were two goods, 25 GJC 49, supply and delivery of 17,800 liters, automotive diesel fuel, and 5,200 liters special gasoline for use in the operation of various service vehicles and equipments of this district for the third quarter of 2025. And another one, we have 25 GJC 50, supply and delivery of various laboratory equipment for use in the material testing laboratory in the quality assurance section for the third quarter of calendar year 2025. Before we proceed, please acknowledge for the attendance. Start with our backer person. We have here Engineer Satya Satarena,
Present.
our vice backer person, Engineer Charity Reyosa.
Yes.
Back members, we have Engineer Almar Acevedo, Engineer Teresita Liana, from the technical working group, headed by Engineer Janice Sanguan, I'm sorry. We have also here Engineer Learning Ontariana and Rosilito Villarreal. From the presenter and user of QES, we have Engineer Jing Picanoy. And from admin section, we have our EO3 here, Ms. Vanessa Masagi. From the back secretariat, headed by Engineer Ronald Abakayan. Also, we have Ms. Liame Tabale and yours truly, Rosabia Mariwan. Mr. Chair, since the back members present, Mr. Puro, we will now proceed this private conference to the order.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. The Office in Puro, this will be this over by Lord Mambang to discuss the 25 JC 49.
Thank you, Mr. Chief. Good morning, everyone. So our office needs to procure fuel for our consumption. So this actually comprised of a number of requests from our different sections. So this is consolidated request, and as you can see, it totals to 1,000 liters. So for the diesel fuel, so it totals to 17,800, and the special gasoline for 9,300. And then the agency for that, the 1,106,128 pesos. So I think that's all from Andrew, sir.
Next, we will go to Engineer's time to discuss the writing of 35 JC.
Hello, Ricardo. Contract ID number 25GJC50, contract name, supply and delivery of various laboratory equipment for use in the material testing laboratory in the quality assurance section for this third quarter of CY 2025. With approved budget for the contract 4,081,620.80 pesos. Sources of funds are SR 2025 to 05061500 and SR 2025 05016490. Right, please. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. The first item is deducted input goods from 60 days. 60 days.
Yeah, 60 days. Basic experience age. So this contract is 30 days, so it's longer than the delivery. So perhaps it would be wise enough for us to extend it to 60 days. Or maybe supply to her. Same for the cards. Other 20 months.
program.
So, so the budget, where they see the first contract was, whether it's. So for the statement, that is the first, yeah. But no, very cover, let this now, so it's revised now. How many just
Wasn't that very, they had this. My was the president takes over here.
That's for 60 days now, the end of the solid business of residential. So I have
So,
extension. 60 day. Then would ask that.
Number one item is deducted yung wood with scrubber, purpose anemia plate. Ito yung mga chemicals, shampoo, na isa ay yung wood. It is also required if na anti-chemical testing analysis po board. So, air specs, bakit yung code should have a complete scrubber and lock system, including installation of humic acid digestion. Overhead light strip or fluorescent lamp attached to inside cup of food with corrosion and moisture protection. Minimal internal fume wood working area dimension, so number 3 specifying na dimension, the weight of 1,270 mm, depth of 650 mm, and 1 meter height. Maximum height sa piyonghod should not exceed laboratory ceiling. Ang worktop niya should be heat, flame, and corrosion resistant with steel cleanage or steel stopper. Air phase velocity variable up to at least 0.5 meter per second at full sash opening. Voltage should be 220 or 240 or 220 to 240 volts. Laminated tempered glass type sash with water tap and seat inside, which is also chemical resistant. It also has electric socket outside near the fume opening, meaning 2 outlets, controller of air velocity, good siya alert system for filter or scrubber saturation, chemical resistant good siya, and certified siya sa EN 14175. Ayun, delivery, installation, and commissioning of ambulance fume hood or ducted fume hood with complete scrubber and duct system. Ayun, additionally, is na siya preventive maintenance of fume hood after 6 months inclusive of scrubber maintenance. So, ang siya stated na preventive maintenance for 6 months. Scrubber siya. Second item is the automatic Marshall stability tester. The vertical, ang forma, siya. Sure, stability, dapat maka-control. Wala, sir. Wala kataan. Sa asphalt man siya. Vertical rising speed of test instrument tray is 50 plus minus 5 millimeter per minute. Moving distance of the tester tray is 70 mm. Working range of flow value 0 to 20 millimeters. Yun na. measuring accuracy force measuring device is 0.1 kilonewton. Working voltage niya is AC 220 volts. Ang iyang motor specification is 220 volts, 0.37 kilowatt with 1,440 RPM single phase operation. Single phase operation lang siya. Their maximum rated load of 50 kilonewton. And the third and last item is the rotating shelf thin film oven. Electrically heated. Digital temperature display. Mura na siyang oven pero murot na siya ganun pa na rotate. Then thermostatically controlled. Ang iyang sulod is stainless, automatic oven temperature alarm. The iyang temperature range is 75 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius, or wider range to 220 to 240 volts. Rectangular interior 330 by 350 o kung ano siya, yung iyang interior dimensions. Dayon, i-add lang po na nanisip sila na ay calibration. That's awesome.
Sir Chair, before we proceed to the documentation details, I would like to acknowledge the representative also from the suppliers. We have here from GPCGT Fuel Marketing, represented by Ma'am Anne-Marie, T99, and from Sadico Peton Station, we have here Ma'am Lorty Babette. So,
Yes, I think, may go to our Ma'am Leah to discuss the implementation.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good morning, everyone. So we'll discuss the checklist of technical and financial documents. First is the technical component envelope, which have a legal documents, which is the valid and updated field jobs registration certificate, which is the platinum membership. So this is in accordance with section 8.5.2 of the IRR. So here are the technical documents. First is the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid, supported by all documents. So this form DPWH GS-14 or form DPWH GNS-14. So third is the statement of bidder's single largest completed contract, which is the LCC, similar to the contract to be bid except under conditions provided for in sections 23.4.1.3 and 23.4.2.4 of the 2016 revised IRR or of RA 9184. So the form to be submitted is DPWH-GNS-13. Fourth is the original copy of the bid security. If in the form of a surety bond, submit also a certification issued by the IC or the Insurance Commission or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration. So this is to be filled up in the form DPWH GNS-04, 05, or 06 as applicable. Number 5 is the conformity with the technical specifications. So you can use as form DPWH GNS-16, which may include production delivery schedule with the form DPWH GS-17, manpower requirements, or after sales parts if applicable. Number 6 is the original duly signed omnibus source statement and, if applicable, original notarized secretary's certificate in case of corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture, giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and to act as a represent the bidder to be Form DPWH 18. So the financial documents consist of the prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity, the NFCC, or committed line of credit from a universal or commercial bank in the lieu of its NFCC computation. And if the Class B document, if applicable, a duly signed JVE in case the joint venture is already in existence, or duly notarized statements from all the potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVE in the instance that the bid is successful. So, we'll go to the financial component of the envelope. First is the original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, which will be used with the form 19, the PWHINFR-19, and the original of duly signed and accomplished price schedules to be accomplished in form DPWH-20. So these are the other documentary requirements under RA 9184 as applicable for foreign bidders claiming by reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to Filipinos, certification from relevant government office of their country stating that Filipinos are allowed to participate in government procurement activities for the same or product, and the certification from the DTI if the bidder claims preference as a domestic bidder or domestic entity. I think that's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Mr. Chairman, morning for the supplier. Any motion, I call the horse secretary to schedule this meeting.
Yes, Mr. Chair, to address the suppliers, the deadline of submission and receipt of bids shall be on August 5, 2025. August 5, 2025 at exactly 10 o'clock in the morning here at Procurement Office, DPWH, Sumungat del Norte, 2nd District Engineering Office, Dipolo City. That's
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Any motion for adjournment?
Mr. Chair, since all the agenda at hand are already discussed and presented, I will propose to this meeting.
I am duly seconded. This briefing is adjourned.